Check out this fella sitting down, relaxing. He's a big guy too. He's very noisy as well. Sometimes at night he gets to making all this noise and more noise. I was trying to catch him while he was standing tall a few minutes ago, but I don't think I'll be able to catch him now. He was standing all the way up with his neck extended all the way up, and he's pretty big. He lives over there under that big tree over there. He lives under there. But every now and then he comes out and hangs out over there on the pole, making a whole lot of to-do-da-da. Well, that's life living in South Florida. Here I am, a Philly girl living in my South Florida world. All right, everybody, that's it. Just wanted to share. Bye.